to go along with that comment about your ceiling layouts, and this kind of leads into electrical, which is my next item. I've said many times we think it's really, really important to have a kind of before ducts get pulled, before wires get run, before pipes get run. Let's do a, we call it a box and can walkthrough. Just have the HVAC guy go in there and pop in his register boxes where they're going. Have the electrician pop in his can rough ends and switch boxes. No wires. And let's, get the architect, get the designer. Let's walk through and say, is this working?
Right.
Is this what you expected? Because there's typically no change orders at that point. If something has to get moved, it's once they start running wires and ducts, they want to ding you if something has to change.
One of our favorite drawings are the ceiling framing plans, where basically, from a drawing standpoint, like every layer is turned on, mechanical, electrical, security, in the framer as well, right? Where it's that first attempt at being able to show what framing layout will help achieve all the design goals. And I don't just mean, like a structural engineer's framing plan where they draw arrows and say 16 inches on center, where we have our light placement first, and then the center of the room has a gap, between two ceiling joists, because it's allowing whatever we want to be there instead of a 2x10 ceiling joist, like right in the middle. And it's still quite an effort to coordinate everything, but I find that those ceiling framing plans are they're a great tool for the contractor, because they're seeing it all at the same time as well. They're not having to flip through pages and say, well, where's this? Where's this? Because it's just all there.
I like that idea.
And I think that with modern home design, we're really leaning into this minimal lighting language. Lighting art walls, having accent lighting, not just the typical 4 cans in each corner of the room. So there's less tolerance on like where those lights can go and where they're best suited and can achieve that feel that we're looking for. And so coordinating with the framing plan way ahead of time has saved the day on many projects for us.